kung pwede lang, ayoko nang magsalita sa media tungkol sa trabaho dito. But the people have to be informed of what is happening because everybody is a stakeholder in the future of our country. So to all of you, you may have other shots at other jobs later on. But remember, when we opened our doors here, it was because we know, and it is because we know, that it's going to be the young people who will actually matter in this fight against corruption. If we're able to recreate a culture or reinvent the culture of the Filipino professional and make them value the work that we do here, then we succeeded already. Diba? Yun eh. Some people cannot imagine that an office like this can survive with all the pressures around us. Pero there's only one thing that you have to keep in mind. Sleep soundly at night with the work done very well into the day. And wake up in the morning looking for more work to do, because that is the right thing to do for our country.